In this video, we're going to be doing some comparative advantage and absolute advantage practice tables. For the first example, we have an output table with 2 workers and the corresponding amount of cups produced and plates produced. So, we see different decisions are represented in this table. So, an output table represents for the same amount of time. We see that a decision can be made. Ava can choose to make either 12 cups or 6 plates. Ben can choose to make 8 cups or 4 plates. So, first we're asked to find the absolute advantage of each good. So, for absolute advantage, this is going to equal to who can produce more. When we look at our cups, we see that Ava has 12 cups and Ben has the production capability of 8 cups. So we see that Ava produces more cups. Now for our plates, we see that Ava can produce 6 and Ben can produce 4. Again, we see that Ava produces more plates. So we can say that Ava has the absolute advantage in both cups and plates. For our second part, we're asked to find the opportunity cost of each good for each producer. So our opportunity cost formula is equal to, inside of output tables, a ratio. And that ratio is equal to the other good given up over that good gained that you choose to produce. This is for the opportunity cost of one good. Now let's show this in action. We see we can calculate this for both Ava and Ben. So, Ava's opportunity cost, she can make either 12 cups or 6 plates. So, the opportunity cost of 1 cup for Ava is equal to 6 plates over 12 cups. And that's going to be 1/2 a plate. Now, if we do the opportunity cost of 1 cup, or 1 plate for Ava, this is going to be the reciprocal. So this is going to be 12 cups per 6 plates. Because when you're finding the opportunity cost for 1 plate, now 6 plates is going to be what you gain and 12 cups is what you give up. So that now your opportunity cost will be 2 cups. So the opportunity cost of 1 plate is equal to 2 cups. Now we can do the same thing for Ben. So for Ben, we know that Ben can either make 8 cups or 4 plates. So if we find the opportunity cost of 1 cup for Ben, this is equal to 4 plates over 4 cups. And this is equal to 1/2 a plate. So the opportunity cost of 1 cup for Ben is equal to the equivalency of 1/2 of a plate. This is in terms of production. Now, again, we'll find the opportunity cost of 1 plate for Ben. Now we have 8 cups are being given up because we're not going to be producing cups, and we are going to gain 4 plates. this is going to give us 2 cups. The opportunity cost of 1 plate is equal to 2 cups. Now we're asked to find the comparative advantage. This means we're looking for who has the lower opportunity cost. Now let's look in cups and in plates. So we know that Ava, when we're looking at our cups, has an opportunity cost of 1/2 a plate. And we see that this is going to be the same for Ben as well. So they have the same comparative advantage. So for cups, we are going to say that neither has the comparative advantage in cups. For plates, we have that Ava has the opportunity cost for 1 plate that is equal to 2 cups. And we see that Ben has the opportunity cost that is also equal to 2 cups. So we can say the same thing, that neither has a comparative advantage in plates. Now, for our 4th question, we're asked who should specialize in which good. So this is talking about specialization. So in our scenario, since the opportunity costs are the same, there is no comparative advantage. When there's no comparative advantage, that means that no one should specialize based on comparative advantage, since there is none. Now, we're asked to give a mutually beneficial range of terms of trade. So, for terms of trade, we can say that since there is no comparative advantage, there are no gains from trade based on comparative advantage.